What are you looking is the original Newgrounds in 1999. So we are gonna go over the years and take a look at various renditions, various forgotten pages on Newgrounds. So the first one is Cat Mannix. So where is exactly this thing? Cat Mannix was a web page created in 1997 when Newgrounds was quite young. Yeah. So okay, its feature that the quote that your it basically says that if your cat is gonna be a cyborg, it's gonna be very good. Well, in reality, that will be such a horrible idea. But I like this web page. I mean, what is better to see this those crazy cats like this one. I like this one. It looks funny, and I don't care. And also, what is this? Also, I'm not reading all of this because, I'm terrible at reading. Oh, what the? He's drinking like a dog. Got this robot thing. I like this. Okay. It's okay. This is it for this video. Goodbye.